Today we have focused on our second year mechanical engineering for diploma students. The subject name is strength of material. So in curriculum we start first lecture on strength of material, means any product design. So engineer first of all we check the properties of the material. So that means material having higher strengths, so do not failure easily. So to resist the failure is main task. So in first lecture of simple stress and strain, first of all the concept one is equilibrium. So in its outcome is calculate the axial deformation and axial stress. So first of all we study the equilibrium. Suppose any body in a equilibrium condition, any body is in a equilibrium conditions. So what is equilibrium, or by Bloom taxonomy for MSBT students in examination ask the question define equilibrium for 2 marks. So the any system of forces which keeps the body at a rest, it is said to be called as a equilibrium. Or second definition, when the condition of the body is unaffected even though it is acted upon by number of forces, it is said to be equilibrium. Means the resultant is zero. So the two definitions same for the equilibriums. So example of equilibrium condition. So means the body is unaffected, though it is acted upon by the number of forces. Suppose for example of equilibrium, one book is kept on a table. So due to the weight of the book by gravity, so it's W1 force number 1, and due to table surface, the normal reaction is exerted due to table surface. So is force number 2. Means two collinear forces which acted upon a body. So for equilibrium condition, R is equal to W. So that same it's nullify. So body at a rest, it's called as a equilibrium. Now second example of equilibrium, Suppose one man sitting on a chair, means its weight W, and due to the weight W, due to that chair surface, the normal reaction is R, and man at a rest, means that object at a rest. So, it is called as a equilibrium. It is called as a equilibrium. So, means what is the concept of equilibrium? Two forces are equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction. So, what are the analytical conditions of the equilibrium? Means summation f of x is equal to 0, means algebraic sum of component of all forces along the x axis is equal to 0, means next is summation of f of y is equal to 0, same algebraic sum of component of all forces along the y axis is equal to 0. Number 3, summation of moment is equal to 0, means algebraic sum of all moments of all forces at any point in their plane is equal to 0, means resultant is equal to 0. So, to find out the by using equilibrium condition, to find out the forces, of unknown quantities in beam or in a structure. So, its concept is called as a equilibrium. So, in next lecture we have studied the different types of body, as a rigid body or deformable body. Thank you.